the champions of the 2022 Jamaica Premier League, Harbour View!
One looks to return to former glory, the other just looking for the right answers. This is Harbour View and Molynes United season preview. Welcome back to JAMPL fan. The clock continues to count down to the 15th, so we move to our new pair of teams for preview. The 2023-2024 JAMPL season was one to forget for Harbour View. Everything looked rosy at the start for the five-time champions, but after failing to secure a spot in the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup, everything just began to unravel. A string of poor results, especially after the month of January, saw Harbour View slump all the way down to 12th by the season's end. And while they ended up clear from relegation, everyone there know that this season has to be considerably better. Interestingly enough, longtime head coach Lolo Bernard won't be the man at the helm to achieve this, as that honour now goes to rookie coach Jason Bujo Henry. Alright, key acquisitions and departures. Harbour View's business in the transfer market has been a little light so far, but they did make two big moves with bringing back former star scorer Akosa Chung back to the club from Mount Pleasant. They also strengthened in defence with the purchase of former Lime All captain Damian Sewell. They also added former Clarendon College central defender Davante Hodges to the back line. But they did have one massive sale as Joshua Anglin left the club in a big money move to Mount Pleasant.
What is now becoming a habit, late-breaking news provided by BAM Sports, is that 26 years old winger Tima Lewis has returned to the club from FK Sloboda Mirkonjic Grad in the Bosnia and Herzegovina First Division.
Key player to watch. Without Anglin, I believe all eyes will be on his former midfield partner, Demar Rose. Rose is one of the few in the Harbour View midfield that can unlock a defence, but he has often asked to do a little bit too much last year, despite Anglin's presence that stifles his and the club's creativity. Let's see how he fares under the new coach Bujo Henry. Their main aim. Of course, a club as big as Harbour View should always have the lofty expectations of winning the league each season, but because of how things went last time out, I am sure they will be happy with the return to the playoffs. Predictions. Unfortunately, I don't see them getting anywhere close to the top 6. They made some smart moves in the transfer window, but I still believe they need an upgrade in goal as well as another creative midfielder. Bringing back Chung was needed, but I believe they need another striker to help with goals despite Fagan being there. Also, we have to mention yet again that this will be Bujo Henry's first head coaching job at any meaningful level. So look for them to do one better than last year and finish 11th. So now we move on to the other relegation scrapper last season, and that's Molynes United. The Kingston-based club didn't fare much better with a disappointing 23 points and 11th position, but they were definitely one of the most entertaining teams to watch. Once Molynes was playing, you could expect goals as they would often score and get scored on a lot. They did improve their defensive shape somewhat after the mid-season coaching change, which did enough for them to survive relegation. Key acquisition and departures. Molynes did what some would say underrated business this transfer market, as they picked up promising young forward Siobhan Miller from Ujama CC. Another in Marlon Pennycook joins Molynes United FC from relegated Premier League team Lime All Academy. But it was their outgoings that steals the spotlight. Gone is experienced goalkeeper Peter Harrison, midfielder Romain Bowers, and 22-year-old defender Dijon Grant. Players to watch. Without question, it is their deadly marksman Jason Wright. Jason had a decent goals return last season, scoring 12 goals in 25 games, and will be heavily relied upon to score the goals again despite the rival at Pennycook. Their main aim, they would love a top 6 finish, but I'm quite sure they would also accept a comfortable mid-table position. My predictions. As stated before, Molynes is a fun team to watch, but sometimes for all the wrong reasons. They would often take the lead, sometimes even be 2 up, only see they collapse to a draw or defeat. Pennycook should definitely take some pressure off right up front. I am godsmart not much more was done to that leaky back line. A minus 26 goal difference is plain unacceptable at this level, and a repeat of that this season could spell trouble. I foresee their luck running out this time and finish 13th in the relegation zone. Alright guys, that's all for another season previewed episode. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of my prediction for both clubs. But otherwise, please like, subscribe and share as we look to keep you up to date on all things in the Jamaican Premier League off-season leading up to the start of the new season. And for great JPL content, you're already at the right place. JAMPL fan. YouTube, big up yourself.